Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. It's Pasta Friday. But before I get to the pasta, let's go back to last night where I prepared chicken comfort rice. Basically comfort rice that had chicken, plenty of vegetables. Well, actually, only had a few. I had more planned. Considering there was no plan. It's a recipe I kind of threw together at the last moment. It was pantry cooking at its best, and boy, did it turn out fantastic. The ingredient list is posted and is on the website, or will be on the website Sunday. Yeah, it was good. It was fun. Check out the video. Pasta Friday. I've been trying to get to this little recipe for several weeks now. Just things got in the way or something else came up recipe-wise that was just sounded better. Asian garlic noodles. Simple Asian ingredients. Let's get to it. We'll be using my good old standby linguine. Of course, there's garlic, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, butter, brown sugar, Szechuan chili flakes, Parmesan cheese, and for garnish, green onion and sesame seeds. Like I said, it's basic Asian ingredients. You make the pasta, you make a sauce, you get it all together, and then you top it off with the garnishes. That simple. Pasta night. Gotta love it. All right, on this Friday, the sun is supposed to be out, and it's supposed to be at least in the 60s today here in Sutter County, California. That's according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report. Thank you, Bob. All right, on this Friday, this Pasta Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.